In recent years, as the expectations for drone operation of beyond visual line of sight increases, a mechanism to successfully and safely manage multiple drones in remote locations became necessary. For such needs, NTT Data provides a drone fleet management system called the FOS, which stands for Flight Operation System. FOS supports the necessary operation of pre-flight, in-flight, and post-flight with one system. FOS enables safe and efficient drone operation of beyond visual line of sight. Prior to flight, it is possible to create a flight plan considering non-fly zone area, weather information such as rainfall, wind speed, and wind direction by altitude. These types of information are shown on high-quality 3D map. In addition, it is possible to centrally manage flight plans of multiple number and models of drones and avoid duplication of flight routes of other drones. It ensures the safety of flight plans. During flight, it is possible to remotely control multiple number and models of drones placed at multiple sites. The advanced operation skill of drone pilot is unnecessary. Furthermore, FOS checks the telemetry information sent from drones and detects an anomaly, such as deviation from the flight plan route and close proximity with other drones. By raising an alert, it is possible to avoid danger. After the flight, a user can check the log data such as flight route and flight time. By managing the flight record, a user can utilize it for many purposes such as decision-making for drone maintenance and replacement timing. Also, a user can copy and edit past plans to create new plans efficiently. As a flight control platform, it is possible for FOS to install various business application functions via API. This also enables analyzing and processing of various data acquired by drones. FOS can be used in various types of business fields. It accepts many types of external data, such as map data. It can be installed in various types of environment, such as public cloud, private cloud, and on-premise, depending on each user's needs. When a disaster occurs, drones immediately fly to the site and quickly investigate the disaster situation. Drones can also support evacuation. For places too dangerous or difficult for people to enter, multiple drones can be sent to take images. Images captured by drones will be sent to Remote Operational Center for analysis and investigation. A safe evacuation route is designed according to this analysis result. During a disaster, drones can also be used to directly support evacuation. For example, drones can fly ahead of the evacuee and lead them to a safe place. Collecting information quickly and accurately in the case of catastrophe is done by utilizing FOS. This makes the efficient and safe operation possible. Drones can substitute dangerous works that people used to do, such as inspection of steel towers, transmission line equipment, and etc. Drones that can cover a wide area, such as fixed wings, can be used to check deflection of the transmission lines, distance between the steel towers and vegetations, inclination of the steel towers, and so on. Drones that can perform high-precision operation, such as multicopter, check the condition of steel towers and power transmission lines. Also, when inspecting mountainous areas, FOS will contribute in reducing the number of drone operators at inspection sites. The image sent to the center is used to determine the necessity of inspection by analyzing the images using Imagery Analysis tool. By utilizing FOS, it is possible to reduce labor costs while centrally managing nationwide tower inspections. Drones realize wide area maritime patrol in conjunction with the database. Fixed-wing drones take an image of the ship. The image is then analyzed to identify the ship number, which is then matched with the database. If the ship is not verified from the database, then it is determined as being a suspicious ship. Fixed-wing drones perform automatic tracking and collect ship position information. Multi-copter drones are launched from the patrol boat and conduct a primary survey focusing on the presence of dangerous loads such as explosives and weapons and the situation of the crew. Operation of automatic tracking and aerial image shooting is done from a remote place. Ship number can be inquired from the database, and even the length of the ship can be transmitted in real time by image analysis. In the near future, drones will spread in the fields of land, sea, and sky. Therefore, providing a safe operation management system that meets people's needs is important. NTT Data will continue to create a new value with innovative technology.